seen the reviews everywhere, y'all. At first I was hesitant. This is supposed to be the lace that Jesus was working on, okay? We'll see. Sis, I ain't worried.
I've gotta be me.
Using our womanly wiles. I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about the swoop-a-doops. Ooh, she was big. No. I'm finna keep it real with y'all. That hairline was impeccable. New clear lace is real clear lace. No tinting was required. Y'all, I really do understand the hype. They put their foot in them greens, okay? Cousin, auntie, uncle, mama, papa. I just want to throw that out there because I really love them kids. What's up, cousins? It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay. I had to say that one in slow motion. Cousin, auntie, uncle, mama, papa. Wow. Yeah. I'm gonna give you the details because this is the first time that I have tried this particular product. I've seen the reviews everywhere, y'all. At first I was hesitant. I'm gonna get into that. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly why I was hesitant. But then I decided to go ahead and see what all the fuss is about. So I'm gonna give y'all the deets. Y'all, I'm hyped. Okay. Today's slay has been brought to you by... No, I can't. No. I got to be me, y'all. I got to be me.
I've gotta be me.
See how I did that? Like that? We're gonna do the outside natural light test too. So I got to get outside before the sun go down. But talking about Rama, I'm gonna give y'all the details of this beautiful slay. I'm gonna get it to you. I'm gonna say something about it right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Ooh, you the bomb. Y'all, I just feel so ignorant. I gotta get my, okay. Now, listen, y'all. Let me preface this. I have not had a preface in a long time, y'all. So let me just get my preface out. I have looked at probably every video on YouTube from this company, and everybody says this name the same. XrsBeauty, which is what I would have said too. However, sometimes when you collab with certain vendors, they'll send you the specs of the wig so we can be testing it out. When we doing certain things, we could be like, no, they said this wig's supposed to do 2 backflips. When you put it on, mine only did 1. No. You know, so we can just determine. On my rundown, it says our brand name. It looks like XrsBeauty. Read as Chris Beauty. Like the name Chris. So when you re-look at it, the X being the I get it. And the R and the S. Chris Beauty. I ain't lying. Y'all see this right there? Huh? Oh, right there. Now, I don't know. So, it's either XRS or Chris. They say it's Chris. Now,
They must have got sick of it.
it's always good to see a conglomerate of videos before you purchase a unit. Just so you can see different perspectives, different skin complexions, different skill levels, things like that. So if you hear XRS, know that this is the same company. So here's the thing. They have this amazing clear lace unit, okay? This is supposed to be the lace of all laces. NASA grade lace. This is supposed to be the lace that Jesus was working on, okay? You know he was a carpenter. He might have started to do lace a little bit because this lace is supposed to be blessed and highly favored, okay? Now, what they did do was, and I love when companies do this, they sent me samples. 1 brown lace sample, 1 transparent lace sample, and 1 clear lace sample. And I'm gonna show you what these look like against my skin. one of the things that they really kind of boast on is the clean hairline. It's much more natural than regular pre-plucked hairline. We customize this natural hairline to make it melt into the skin perfectly. New clear lace is real clear lace. It's undetectable on your head. Now, let me tell you something, kid. When I put this wig on before I cut the lace and all that stuff, honey, that hairline is possibly the best hairline that I've received from any vendor. Y'all, that hairline was so clean. Whoever constructed that hairline, honey, was looking for a raise. They was like, I'm finna put my foot in this lace. Honey, that hairline was flawless. That hairline was impeccable. It was bleached perfectly. It was not over bleached. It was so light. It wasn't dense at all, y'all. Up and through him, immaculate. I have no complaints about that at all. They did that, y'all. That's I get the hype. I get the hype. I understand the hype, y'all. I really do understand the hype. They put their foot in them greens, okay? Now, what I will say is this. I'm kind of new somewhat to the wig game. I've really been practicing, y'all, with melting this lace. You know, because my lane is more so crochet braids, faux locks, twists, stuff like that. This is somewhat of a new lane for me. So I'm practicing trying to melt these baddies. Wigs like this make it very easy. But let me tell you this. One thing that I have found as somewhat of a newbie to the wig world is undetectable lace is not necessarily undetectable. Okay, you can detect it. Why? Because it's there. It exists. It's real in real life. You know how you're supposed to do your blessing? Where you can reach up and grab it. Well, you can grab this lace because it's an actual thing. Undetectable to me just means it's very seamless. It is going to give you a lovely melt upon your skin. You see what I mean? It's very natural looking. Now, in that regard, is this undetectable lace? Heck yes. 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 Yeah. Huh? Let me tell you why I was a little hesitant. I'm always a little hesitant on these lace trends because, to be completely honest, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Lace is not created for brown skin. Generally speaking, deep brown skin. It just is what it is, okay? If you are brown like me, you will find yourself tinting your lace no matter how transparent, undetectable, invisible you think your lace finna be. Sis, we gonna add a little powder to it. If you want it to look supernatural. This, I did not put any powder. It was bleached so lovely. The knots were bleached lovely. When I did my swoop-a-doops, I have mousse, but my mousse is just tinted mousse. When I show you the demo, I'm gonna show you before I did my swoop-a-doops because I want y'all to see how good this looked on my skin. No tinting. No tinting was required. That's just the only mousse I had, kid, because that's what I'm used to, having to tint my lace all the time. So I got tinted mousse. I did not need tinted mousse this time, but the Bible says, be ye prepared at all times. So I am prepared for when I have to tint my lace because I generally have to tint my lace because that's just how it is in the world, okay? So that's the mousse that I had. So that's the mousse that I use, flat out, period. That's all, that's it. You got to use what you got to get what you want, like that woman said. But I think she was talking about other stuff. I was talking about swoop-a-doops. She was talking about using our womanly wiles. I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about the swoop-a-doops. Oh, she was big. They used to sing about some stuff back in the day, didn't they? This lace is off the chain. This lace is beautiful. This lace is lovely upon my head. I feel like but it's kind of like a gift and a curse because I feel like I done slayed this wig out the park and the lace is like, sis, you know I had a lot to do with that final result, right? You know you didn't do it by yourself. Because sometimes we be wanting to be like, honey, I did. The lace had a little bit to do with it, okay? Okay? Now, you got to have skill. Now, don't get... you got to have skill, okay? You got to have skill when it comes down to it, you got to know what you're doing. But the lace did have something to do with it, okay? That's why I was a little bit hesitant with all the hoopla about this clear lace, because I was like, at the end of the day, kid, I'm still going to have to tint the lace, period. That's been my experience being brown. I was pleasantly surprised. This was beautiful. I love how it turned out, even before and after the tinted mousse. I really like how this turned out. But honey, that hairline was the star of the show. That hairline. So listen, let me tell you, we just gonna keep it all the way real. You're gonna pay for that hairline, okay? Let's just, some of y'all be in the comments appalled, and I'll be like, y'all, you honey, well, you're gonna have to pluck it yourself and construct that hairline yourself. And you do your thing. But honey, the way this was set up, you're gonna have to pay for that, because it was beautiful. It was beautiful. Big ups to XrsBeauty, but it could be XRS. I just want to throw that out there because I really don't care. So yes, I can't wait to get y'all to the demo so y'all can see. I was happy about this wig. My cats was in here. They was meowing and stuff. They was no, do cats be happy about wigs? Do they? It's human hair, y'all. Tangle free. I experienced a little bit of shed because I cut around my ear tab, so you have to get that hair out of there. So that's why that is. But I have 22 inches, 200% density, y'all. This is very important if you get their straight unit. Now they have different textures with this clear lace. So if you don't like straight, you can get a different texture. But if you get straight, I like it to be somewhere around 200%. That's a good density for me for straight. That gives me the fullness that I like without being overbearingly full. 200% density is a sweet spot for me. Now, I didn't put any curls in it. I generally don't with straight hair. I want the like sleek, straight, bone straight look. My hair is not flat. It should have been. I don't be doing stuff all the time, right? But I'm actually gonna go outside and do just the natural lighting test so you can see what this looks like just when you go outside. It's gonna be a whole new world, sis. That sometimes that lace be like, boop, peekaboo, here I am, hey. This is hands down been the easiest lace that I've worked with. I ain't lying, this has been the easiest lace. Transparent lace is cool, but I still end up having to tint it because it's like, it ends up looking, not dry, but kind of like ashy a little bit. So I always end up having to warm it up. So the melt is usually nice with transparent lace, but I always have to put that warmth to it because it's so like ashy and like dry looking. With this, I didn't have to do any of that stuff. So big shout out. This is so nice, y'all. Information in the description box. Get your hands on this. Y'all, get your hands on this. This clear lace is like, okay. But you know, the whole time I was like, we'll see. That clear lace was like, sis, I ain't worried. Yes, everything about this is beautiful. I'm gonna get y'all to the demo and then to the natural lighting and get some content and things like that. But yeah, to the demo, a demo, to the demo, to the demo, to the demo.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I won't do. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want.